Agni-4 missile, recently seen in the news, is developed by which organization? A. DRDO, B. ISRO, C. HAL, D. BHEL. Correct answer, A. DRDO. Where was the India's first conservation and breeding center for the Asian king vultures inaugurated? A. Mussoorie, B. Gorakhpur, C. Indore, D. Jaisalmer. Correct answer, B. Gorakhpur, U. BPALM regiment, recently seen in the news, is associated with which disease? A. Malaria, B. Dengue, C. Tuberculosis, D. Typhoid. Correct answer, C. Tuberculosis. Baraka Nuclear Energy Plant, recently seen in the news, is located in which country? A. France, B. Ukraine, C. Russia, D. United Arab Emirates. Correct answer, D. United Arab Emirates. A Shram portal was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Home Affairs, B. Ministry of Labor and Employment, C. Ministry of Rural Development, D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Labor and Employment. Which day will be observed and celebrated as Sutiya Day by the Assam government? A. The 15th of July, B. The 20th of August, C. The 18th of September, D. The 5th of October. Correct answer, B. The 20th of August. Where was the first International Solar Festival organized? A. Jaipur, B. Bhopal, C. New Delhi, D. Lucknow. Correct answer, C. New Delhi. The Prime Minister of India launched Jal Sanchay Jan Bhagidari in which state? A. Gujarat, B. Assam, C. Rajasthan, D. Kerala. Correct answer, A. Gujarat. Who has created history by becoming the first Indian to win a medal in judo at the 2024 Paris Paralympics? A. Sakina Khatun, B. Sachin Simha, C. Kapil Parmar, D. Paramjeet Kumar. Correct answer, C. Kapil Parmar. Which ministry has recently launched the Visio Next web portal? A. Ministry of Science and Technology, B. Ministry of Textiles, C. Ministry of Defense, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Textiles. Which ministry has launched the Vishwasya blockchain technology stack? A. MITI, B. MNRE, C. Moha, D. More. Correct answer, B. MITI. The President of India inaugurated the Vishwashanti Buddha Vihar in which district of Maharashtra? A. Kolhapur, B. Raigad, C. Latur, D. Gondia. Correct answer, C. Latur. The President of India inaugurated the Vishwashanti Buddha Vihar in which district of Maharashtra? A. Kolhapur, B. Raigad, C. Latur, D. Gondia. Correct answer, C. Latur. Which ministry recently won the National Award for E-Governance 2024 for Poshan Tracker Initiative? A. MOD, B. MOWCD, C. MOHFW, D. MOYA or FW. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Women and Child Development. Koneks, who were in the news recently, are the largest tribes of which state? A. Nagaland, B. Assam, C. Manipur, D. Odisha. Correct answer, A. Nagaland. Deepti Jivanji won which medal in the women's 400 mt20 event at the 2024 Paris Paralympics? A. Gold, B. Silver, C. Bronze, D. None of the above. Correct answer, C. Bronze. Which state government recently passed Aprajita Women and Child Bill 2024? A. Gujarat, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. West Bengal, D. Assam. Correct answer, C. West Bengal.
Which organization recently released India Development Update, India's Trade Opportunities in a Changing Global Context report? A. World Bank. B. International Monetary Fund. C. United Nations Development Programme. D. International Labour Organization. Correct answer A. World Bank.
Which state assembly recently introduced a new legislative practice by launching 0 hour? A. Manipur. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Odisha. D. West Bengal. Correct answer B. Himachal Pradesh. Bandipur Tiger Reserve, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? A. Rajasthan. B. Bihar. C. Karnataka. D. Telangana. Correct answer C. Karnataka.